Okay, guys. So, our neighbor's dog, well, Micah's neighbor's dog, just got viral and
that's its mom right
tried to attack us. And oh my gosh, dude, this is scary.
They like this? No. Oh gosh. Oh, there's one of them. Oh, the mom doesn't like us either.
Oh no,
That's
the dad. He's
dad.
calling for a meeting. You see him?
Oh, he's coming.
There's that was the puppy.
There's that dog. Or the dad. Oh, he's right here.
Oh gosh.
Oh my god.
Dude.
Oh, that thing wants to hurt us. He wants to hurt us.
I just stuck my finger there and he tried to attack me. So he's not friendly, but poor baby, he's scared as hell.
Oh, they.
Oh, okay. It's okay, buddy. He's barking at the poor baby. You hear that?
Yeah.
The poor baby. Dude, I think we're making this baby. Look, there's the baby. Dude, he just ran over his own baby. Hey, Bubba.
We're gonna call that one Bubba.
Yeah. Big dog.
This guy's violent.
Dude. I mean, this guy hates.
Whoa.
Gosh, what?
It's like.
Dude, it's running across the.
You guys can't see that well, but. Oh, this thing's angry at us.
Dude,
Wait, since their puppies are so cute, we like to look at them, but then their daddy can't.
I think we changed our mind about this. Dude, this is not.
Whoa, did you see that?
Yeah. Oh snap! There's the mom. There's the mom. Dude, the dad's taking over control of the mom. Dude, this is.
They're having like a war. Sorry guys, you can't see well. Colton, I have a bad idea.
What?
I was trying to look like maybe.
Oh, this one's nice. Here, let me see.
Oh gosh, it was like coming for me.
Dude, what?
It was like coming.
Where? This one? Dude, what the heck? Dude, the dad's killing the mom. Dude, what the heck? What? Okay.
Should I look over the fence?
Yeah, we got it. Dude, this is.
Whoa, what is this?
I don't know.
It has nails on it. Be really careful.
Here, hold my phone.
Okay. Hey guys. Ooh, this. I see the mom, I think.
Okay, guys, I just found my phone. Okay. Okay, guys,
Show me what you see.
Okay. There's.
So what's happening?
Dude, what the heck? Dude, this dad is just stop staring. He's staring at me like he wants to kill me. Dude, the dad's coming. Dude,
Like at you?
no, he went right over there.
Here, let me get down. I'm gonna do this.
Dude, look, I'll get over there. Look.
I see it.
Dude, look.
Don't get on their property. God, on their property. Don't do that. Alright,
Dude, this is, I don't know.
here, take my phone.
Okay, take mine. Here, let me pause it. Okay, I'm gonna pause. Okay, because so Michael's right there. he decided to get down. I guess it's too violent for him. So apparently, oh gosh, the dad, he hates me. He's staring me down.
Yeah, he stares at me.
There's the pup.
So, yeah.
Dude, they drink beer. Dude, all there is beer boxes. There's Modelo and Dos Eres X. And Corina. Okay, so we're gonna have to end the video here, guys. They drink beer all the time. There's just loads of boxes of Texas. Oh wait, what is that?
It was like,
Tecato, Modelo XX, Dos Eres.
blah, blah,
That
blah.
with that weird dude in the commercial.
So, like,
Dude, and there's Corina.
that dog was staring at me.
All there is beer boxes, dude.
Alright, guys,
This,
we're gonna end the video here.
yeah, we're gonna end the video. That dad dog was like,
Video, so peace. Why isn't my end button working? Work. My phone's not working, but
okay, so we're gonna have to end the video here.
There we go.
So, bye bye.